BBQ Mac, Spring Rolls. Hi, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. Today we are making spring rolls. We are going to do this recipe with the spring roll skin. Since we are currently in spring, almost summer, I felt like this recipe was fitting for the season. We have two main ingredients, pulled pork and mac and cheese. Let's list those ingredients. Let's get started. First step, start with the cutting board. Next, grab a plate, pour some warm water. Make sure the plate rises up a little bit around, not a flat plate, but kind of curve around the edge. That way you don't just spill water all over the place. Gonna put about some sugar in that water. The sugar in the water is what's going to help make our rolls brown and crispy. Going to grab the spring roll skin. Let's start with one sheet. Dip it in the water. For a couple seconds, not too much. Just place it on the cutting board. As you can see, we have mac and cheese here, and we have the pulled pork here. Jack Daniel's pulled pork. And the mac and cheese we are using is Bob Evans macaroni and cheese. So we're gonna start with the pulled pork. Just spread it out across. Now the mac. I love green onions, so we are going to add a little green onion. Just chop it up. Perfect. Now let's just add the green onion for a little extra flavor and also for color. Now let's wrap. I moved it from the cutting board to a plate. It kept sticking so much, so it's better to use a plate. And we just flip it on one side, like so. Flip it on the other side. Then we're going to grab from one end and roll it to about here. Make sure it is nice and tightly wrapped. And perfect. Let's grab another sheet. I want to double wrap it here. Grab that plate of sugar water. Dip it in the water a few times. You'll see the paper is like it feels almost plastic. When you keep dipping in the water and it starts to feel more filmy and more like almost gummy per se, that's when you know it is ready and time to start wrapping. Alright, there it is. I made 3. Let's take it over to the oil and let's get frying. Make sure when frying them, just like a pancake, you're gonna flip and cook on each side. Make sure they are nicely golden brown. After you're done, place on a plate. I, of course, again, I love green onion, so I added more green onion to the top for garnish and a little extra flavor. BBQ Mac Spring Rolls. Alright, now let's try it. Got a little mac and cheese on here and pulled pork. And a little green onion on the one side. Oh, that's good. Another bite. Yum. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you try this recipe. If you did enjoy this video, give it a like. And if you haven't done it already and you'd like to see more of me, subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below. And I'll see you next time. Alright. Cooking and kisses. Bye.